My name is Crystal and I'm a natural dyer. I have a background in fine art drawing, but after attending a natural dyeing workshop in London, I have been experimenting natural dyes for the past 8 years. So I work with natural colors and my medium of choice is fabric. The process that I enjoy the most about art making is being in the zone. It is very therapeutic for me to be in the zone of experimenting and exploring the colors that I use as well on fabric. Also seeing how the different modifiers changes the colors on the different fabric excites me. So the kit that we've put together for you is a natural dyeing kit working with different modifiers to change the colors. We have chosen a few fabrics for you to experiment with just to show you how the different colors react on different fabrics, and also using 3 different modifiers to change the colors of the natural colors. One thing I hope you take away from this workshop today is that you should not be afraid to make mistakes on your canvas, and through experimenting and exploring your medium, you'll get closer to your final outcome.